tutorials videos, support us by like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get all new videos. Hello everybody, today is the third tutorial in Photoshop Essential Training. Today I'm gonna show you how to clean up the face and remove the spot and face wrinkles. For example, we have a spot here in this face, and also we have wrinkles here. I will teach you how to remove that wrinkles. First, I teach you how to remove that spot. We have to unlock the background and duplicate the layer. Click right and duplicate the layer. Then OK. Select the spot healing brush tool from here. Spot healing brush tool. Then zoom in and start clean the face. We have to click in clean area first, then drag into the spot. As you can see, the spot already gone. You can repeat it in all face. Also we have here some spot. We can remove them. We can remove them. We have some spot here. We have to adjust. We can clean all. You can zoom out to see the result. As you can see, that's the result. Let's go to clear the wrinkles from the face. As usual, we have to unlock the layer and duplicate it. Okay. Then we have to zoom in. If you don't have time to waste it by spot healing tool or by blur, you have to use the batch tool. You can go to the batch tool from here and you can select one by one and drag it to clean area. I must do it fast, I don't like to waste the time. You can select and drag. Select and drag. When you drag and leave the mouse, must leave in clean area. Here we have to drag in the similar area because I don't like to polish the color. We finished cleaning it. You have to zoom out and see the difference. That's before and that's after. Also you can do more better than that. If you have long patience, you can use the blur, and you can use healing brush tool to heal the face, and with blur to mix up the skin color. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos, please support me by like and subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell to get all new videos.